go. Here we go. Here we go. All right.
Yeah,
so sine, what is sine? Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, right? So when I look at theta, I go, okay, this is opposite, right? This is the right angle, so that's the hypotenuse.
Yeah.
So it's pretty simple.
What do we do after that?
It equals 8 over 5 square root 17. Now, if you remember, I taught you how to take the square root up. So you got 8 square root 17, and it poops out what's on the inside. Right? So all you do is take what's on the inside and drop it down below, times 17. Okay? So it's still going to be 8 square root 17, but it's going to be 5 times 17, which is 50, plus 35, which is 85. Okay? And that's it.
That's the answer? Wow.
Nice.
Pretty easy, yeah?
Wow. Yeah.
Alright, next.
21.
We're still learning.
We got to make a triangle. It's a right triangle. Okay? And on a right triangle, this side is C and this side is little c. All the time. Okay? Now,
Ooh.
the reason we do that is because a squared plus b squared equals c squared, right? And c squared has to be the hypotenuse. So we don't care about a and b, ladies, right?
Yeah.
So I can have a be here, right? And little a will be here. B can be here, and little b will be here. Now what they want is cosine of big A. So they want big A. Right there. So with cosine, what we have to remember is cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Right? So I need to know that the hypotenuse is this, and the adjacent is B. But they only gave me A.
No, you're not twins.
Could I switch those? And would it be okay? No, because it's got to make A over here, right? And then it'll still be...
You confused me for a second.
Yeah, you can think like you can switch them, but you won't be able to because then everything else switches. So, we're going to have to find B. That's the key. Okay, so A squared, so 15 squared, plus B squared is equal to 17 squared. Now, we look up there, and do we see any 17? Oh, I see one. 17, 15, 8. 17, 15, 8. Boom. So I know B is 8. Well, that's nice. If I know what this is 8, then I know that the adjacent is 8, and the hypotenuse is 17. So cosine of A is equal to 8 over 17.
Wow.
Now that's a Pythagorean triple. If you didn't know it or remember it, you would have had to done this, which is 225 and 17 squared. Is that 289?
What, 17 times 17?
Yeah. Isn't that 289? And then I take that away from that, and I get B is equal to 64. And then I square root, and I get B is equal to 8. Cool. There you go. Number 21. That's not too... Questions, though. Questions.
I just don't think.
Yeah, tape.
Are you sure? So,
289, because how would anything with a 4 become to a 9?
Anything with a 7. 7. 2 7s make a 49.
I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Whoa, Lane.
Shut the fuck up.
Whoa.
The whole class.
So 17, I'm pretty sure 17 times 17 is 289. 7 times 7 is 49. Right? Do 17 times 17 for me.
189.
289.
Or 289.
Okay, and then subtract 225 from that. That should be 64.
Subtract 225.
Yeah.
64.
And then square root 64, that should be 8. Because 8 times 8 is 64. So we're good. But remember that Pythagorean triple is so powerful to have that 17, 15, 8. Now I don't know if you're going to memorize that stuff for your state test, but for my test, you can have it on your cheat sheet. Okay?